Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I have missed you guys so much. I'm sitting outside on my screen porch on a beautiful afternoon, trying to get geared up to start back to school tomorrow. I hope you're doing the same. Um, I wanted to go through just a few things before we get started today. Um, First of all, I've just missed you. I'm a teacher because I enjoy working with kids, not because I like to work from home at the dining room table all by myself. I'm home with my wife, Katie, my two daughters, Bryn, who's 20, and Paige, who's 16, and our two dogs, you'll see in this picture, Maisie and Malcolm. I call Princess and Pigpen. Princess, or Maisie, is on the left. She's 12 and just a diva, just a princess. Very dramatic. And then Malcolm is our teenage boy on the right hand side, and he's 3 years old, and he's Pigpen. Brings in, has never met a mud puddle he didn't like and didn't love to drag into the house. So we're all together, we're all healthy. We're trying to isolate really hard, which is difficult, as you guys know. On nice days, I'm working from our screen porch, which is where I'm sitting today, which is my favorite room in my house. On colder, rainy days, I'm in my office. I have a comfortable chair in there, but there's nothing like just being outside on these days. So thinking ahead, the English 11 team's been meeting over the past few weeks while you've been off to make sure that we have lessons and curriculum that we're giving you this next couple months that are manageable for you. We are not doing what we normally would have done in school. We've trimmed all that down. Anything that's non summative is not essential. So, all our vocabulary work, unfortunately, we're not going to be working on that anymore. I sent home my English 11 classes with the things they carried, thinking that we would get that book read. We will not be getting that book read for the rest of the year as well. However, if you choose to read it as a choice book, which I would highly recommend, you're welcome to do that. But I will need you to bring that book back in the fall. So this week is all about finishing term 3. It'll run from today until Friday, April 10th. Grades are in great shape right now. If you go onto campus and look at your grade, it should be a pretty good reflection of where you're at. We got a lot done right before we ended up leaving school, so I'm really happy with that. We have two main objectives for the week. One is to finish your college essay and get it turned in by Friday, and the second is to work on your choice book project and turn it in by Thursday. Both of those assignments were made before we left. I've offered feedback on everybody's Google Doc on their college essay, so you're welcome to go in there and take a look and make revisions and changes as necessary. And then once those two assignments are turned in by Friday, we should be ready to go with term 3 grades. Some things I really need you to remember, and all your teachers are probably telling you this. We are expected to take attendance each day. So please log into Schoology each day before 3 o'clock and answer the attendance question. And I've set up the attendance to be like a 1-question quiz, true or false, I was in class today. Please do that each and every day. We do have to record attendance with school each day. Second, all class announcements and plans are in the Schoology folder every day. And I've got folders set up by day this week. So there'll be a Tuesday, April 7th, a Wednesday, April 8th, and it'll just list the things that you need to do, and it'll also have links to any materials that you need. So please check that each day. I am responsible for being online every day between 9:30 and 3:30. I'll answer any and all questions. You guys, I hope you've grown to depend on me for getting back to you quickly if you email. So I want to encourage you to do that. I'll probably post the day's folder right away when I get up in the morning. I'm not getting up as early as I do when we're in school, but I will get it posted each morning right away, and then I'll be back on by 9:30 a.m. And I'll take a lunch and stuff like that. But in general, though, 9:30 to 3:30 every day, and I'll get back to you. In order for that to work, it's really important that you check your school email every day. And if you're anything like my daughters, they don't really use their email. It's something old people use to communicate with each other, but my daughters sure don't use it with their friends. Totally get that. But I'm not able to text you. Most of you, I don't have your cell phone number. And so this is the way that we are set up. So I need you to check your school email. If you get an email from me, please read it. Don't just put it at the bottom of your list. I will only email you this week if it's something that I really need you to pay attention to. All right? So please check your email each day. And then just keep in mind this Friday, April 10th, is the last day of third term. So I'm going to be doing grades this weekend, and so no work can be accepted after Friday night. So please make sure you've turned your choice book project and your college essay in by Friday. And then next week, with term 4, I'll make another video. We'll probably have some new students joining us term 4, and so I'll probably make another video for next Monday. And some of you may be moving to another teacher. I'm not sure. I hope not. The plan is that there will be very little movement, but sometimes it can't be avoided. Next term, for term 4, we are going to be doing another choice book, so I need you to start thinking about that. If you don't have anything readily available to you at home, we will have some options for you. So start thinking about that. You're also going to be doing a research presentation. If we were in school, it would be a full-on research paper, but we've changed it, modified it so that it's going to be a presentation for you for term 4. You will get to pick a topic that you're interested in. So think about that. And then we will be doing area units from the textbook, from units 4, 5, and 6. That's what we'll be doing term 4. So, but for now, don't worry about that yet. Let's take one thing at a time. Let's finish term 3 strong. I want you to know you can email me anytime you want at jkale@edenpr.org. Make sure the kale is spelled correctly or it won't get to me. And I'll answer your questions as soon as I can. I would love to see you guys face to face, but since that's not possible, I think email is going to be the best bet. It might be at some point that we have like a Google Hangout or a Schoology conference where I'm available in like a teleconference so that you can ask questions, especially when you're working on your research project. But we'll get to that when we get to it. For now, welcome back. I've missed you very much. I'm glad you're back. I hope you have a great week. Email me anytime and stay healthy. Thanks.